everybody, it's Lulu here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make these lovely these paper clips. Let me show you, like this. So let's get started. So you'll need some like this nice gold thread, like whatever. Oh sorry, I can't show you. Whatever. So this nice gold thread, or whatever thread you like that might be glittery and, let's say, attractive, and some laces, some pretty silky kind of materials, and whatever you like and prefer, and some washi tapes, like not this thick, but washi tapes, and some paper clips. So I preferably like these ones, but you can even use the silver ones or gold, whatever you like. So let's get started. First of all, we take the ribbons that we would like to use. So I'm going to take a piece of this, about that much. Then like you make them about the same size. Let's see. Okay, that should do. And choose different colours that you like, etc, etc. Like I'm gonna do this nice bright colour. There we go. Then you get a bit of this gold. You can cut it. You have to cut it a bit longer, the gold, because like the one that, particularly the one that Mummy's got, it frays at the tips, and so you have to tie a knot at the end of both of the sides so it doesn't fray, because otherwise it's a mess. At the beginning, in fact, the first clips that I made, I didn't tie them at the end, and they're all messy and stuff, and threads come out of it, of them. So you just do these knots. There we go. And then I'll cut this in half because I made it quite long. It's okay if some pieces are a bit shorter and some pieces are a bit longer, because it still does make a nice effect, so it doesn't really matter. This piece is too small, so I'll have to throw it out just a bit. I can't find a rubbish bin at the moment, so that's okay. So I'm just gonna make another piece of gold thread, and then we're gonna get started with the making of the paper clip. One. Sorry, sometimes I go off screen. Now I get why Mummy is always off the screen. It's hard to concentrate while you look at the screen. So this is quite messy, so I suggest you keep a rubbish bin close to you. Whatever. Let's get do only one piece of gold thread, because apparently I'm not able to do it now. So we take our paper clip and we thread it through this part of the paper clip, not this one, because there's this that you use to hold your paper. So and then you just thread it through. There we go. So then you can even make it a different way by tying a knot just like this, but I just like complicating my life, so I cut a piece of the gold thread, like about this much. Then you can trim off the excess, and you hold it down and you tie it. This is a bit of a tricky part. And you have to tie it really tight. There we go, so our first clip is made. So this is how it looks like. It's very nice. And you can even trim the ends, but I like it a bit messy. So, oh, sorry, I'm gonna keep it like this. The sun is setting, so the lighting isn't very good, but I'm just trying to be fast. So I'm just gonna make a few more, like with another example with washi. And so now I'm gonna use this pink ribbon because I like it. Oh, let me cut off this rain bit. Okay. I really like these things that Mummy has. They're very nice. And use this. So I use even these for the ones that I made for Mummy's journal. And now I'm gonna choose a washi tape that I want to use. Like, I think I'm gonna use this one because it's a bright pop of color and quite nice. So you cut a piece like about as long as the ribbons that you've got, and like that. And you can trim the ends at the end. Then you put it down so you can fold it better. There we go, about that. Yeah, that should be good. Then you cut the bad edges off like this. And this one is okay. And then you go like that. Then I like always adding a little bit of gold in my clips because I think it adds a nice shine to it. I don't know how to describe it, but I like the effect of it. You can guys have to put like a shimmery ribbon. You can just do it with normal like laces and ribbons of different colors on different widths. But I like adding this because I like the effect of it. I always suggest to cut a longer piece of the gold ribbon before you tie a knot. So, and then you tie a knot not close to the end because you can, if you made it too long, you can cut off the excess like that and that. So then you have the right length, and so that's how that looks. Now I'm gonna get a clip. Thread it through. Okay, I need to put this back how it was because it got a bit undone. Why am I finding it harder to thread this one through? I'll just go like this. Okay, so make sure it's about in the center, like that. So about fold it in half. And then see if you like it, like that. Cut a piece of gold or ribbon that you like. I would suggest it's thinner, like it's not a thick ribbon because it's easier to tie it. Sorry for my bad English. To tie it. Put it down so it's easier. Now, as I said, it has to be really tight, otherwise the ribbon will come out. Oh, here I did a mistake. Let me just go like that. No. Do this. Okay. Okay. I like to leave the excess of this quite long because it adds more gold, and so this is how it looks like. This one. These are more spring colors. The other ones that I made for Mummy are more blue and in darker colors, but Mummy likes those colors. So here are 2 clips. Like this. Very nice. And I'll make one more, and then I'll have to say goodbye to you guys because I have to do other things. So I'm gonna use this one because I like that pink, and I'm gonna use this. And I think I'm gonna get another washi instead of lace because I like the effect that the washies do. I'm gonna get a blue one because I love the combination of pink and blue. So I'm just gonna look in Mummy's stash for a nice blue one. Maybe I should put like a lighter color though, because then it's too much color and less, like, I like the white to soften it. So I think I'm gonna use some lace, but I'll use more of a creamy color lace, like this one. Mummy has lots of nice laces. There we go. Yeah, that will soften it up. I like this blue washi tape. Maybe, no, actually I'm going to use this one because it's brighter and I like it more with the bright pink. In the clips that I made for Mummy, I used thinner washi tape. I mean, like, not as wide as this washi tape, but you can use the washi tape that you like as wide as you want. It doesn't really matter. There we go. So that's how the colours look like. Don't know if I'm showing you. Yes, I am. Okay. That. I'm gonna put some gold because I love the look of it. Sometimes I'm a bit shy because I have stage fright, so that's why sometimes I don't talk a lot because, you know, I'm a bit shy and I'm scared of the public, but I'm getting a bit the hang of this. Okay, let's get. Oh, sorry, I'm not showing you. I'm just threading it through like the other ones. It's just because I need to concentrate because it's a bit hard to thread through. Come on in. Got it. Okay. Then, as I showed you before, pull it down. Hold it like that. Wait. Oh, here it is. bit more like that, so it's more even. Now cut a piece of this. Put it down on your table. There we go. Tie it tight. And trim off the excess if you like. Now, this is the end result of this one. I don't know if you can see. Yes, you can. And a little bit of a close-up. And I'll show you the three ones that I made all together. They kind of match. They're like this. Like that. And like that. So I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys. Have a nice day. Love you, and I think Rachel say bye to you too. Bye, see you next time.